Hey, how's it going, everybody? So, if you're watching this video, the part two, that means that you already wrote your thesis statement, which is great because now you're ready to finish this worksheet. So, the whole purpose behind this essay planner is doing the most important parts of the essay kind of on their own. That way, we make sure that they connect, and that way, we make sure that they're solid, that they're strong. If these parts are strong, then your essay is strong. And actually, if you finish this worksheet, you kind of wrote most of the essay already. The rest of the essay is easy, but we'll get to that in the next video. This video, let's focus on finishing this next part, which is the two quotes, your evidence and your explanation, pretty much. So this is a thesis sentence right here. It's incomplete, but it's enough to work with. The experience of being an outsider is universal because, let's say that's one of your reasons. Everyone can be made to feel excluded. All right, let's go with that. Can you use that in your own paper? Change the words up and use some other evidence, and yeah, sure, you can totally borrow it. So let's put that right here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna copy and paste, Control C, Control V. Or if you're using your phone, highlight it and then copy and then paste. So everybody can be made to feel excluded. That is one of the reasons why you think the experience of being an outsider is universal. So here's what you're gonna do. Okay, so what story did I see that in, or what poem did I see that in? Anybody can be made to feel excluded. Oh man, you know what? There's that one part in the doll's house where this happens, right? That's where you write the quote. So, what text is this quote from? And why is the quote important? First, you need the actual quote. So, let's go with, let's say, hey, Lil Kelby, I heard your. You're obviously going to write the whole thing. You're going to need it. And then tell me where you found that quote. Okay, this came from the Doll's House, right? The Doll's House by Kay Mansfield. And now here's the most important part of this section. So we already know that being an outsider is universal because anybody can be made to feel excluded, or everyone can be made to feel excluded. And you're proving that by using the Doll's House, using that quote that I didn't write out all the way. You got to figure it out yourself. But it's not just about finding the quote, it's about explaining the quote. Remember that time we were in class and we looked at this ketchup bottle? Don't tell me the ketchup bottle looks like tomatoes and it's red. Don't tell me what you see. Tell me why it's there. Remember, this ketchup bottle looks that way because it is promoting an organic image that'll bring in more customers and give the company more money and create more revenue. Tell me why it's there. So that is what you're going to do, in this section right here. That explanation is the most important part. And it's kind of like what you do and analyze the text. In fact, I would look and analyze the text. You might just find something you could use there. It already comes with the quote, it already comes with the explanation if you did them right. And there you go. So you're going to do that with both of your reasons. So what I would do next is I would copy and paste my second reason and do this again here. So by doing this here, like getting your quote and explaining it, you're making sure that it connects to your thesis. And not just that, you already wrote a good chunk of your body paragraphs just from doing this. So like a good chunk of the essay already kind of wrote itself. So in our next video, we're going to look at the intro paragraph, which is the last thing we're going to do this week, and how to knock it out. So thanks for swinging by. Make sure you finish this worksheet, turn it in, and start working on your intro. So watch that next video, all right? All right, everybody, take care. We will see you for the next one. Bye.